Ever wondered where your hard-earned money is while it's winging its way across the globe via Worldremit? Today, we're going to unlock the secrets of Worldremit tracking, ensuring you know exactly when your transfer arrives safely. First, head over to the Worldremit website or open the app on your phone. Log into your account and navigate to your transfer history. You'll find a list of all your past and current transfers. Tap on the specific transfer you want to track. This is your mission control. Here, you'll see the current status of your transfer. It might say sent, in progress, ready for collection, or delivered. Each stage keeps you in the loop. Sometimes, you'll also see an estimated delivery date. Keep in mind that this is an estimate, and actual delivery times can vary depending on the receiving country and payment method. If your transfer is delayed longer than expected, don't panic. First, double-check the estimated delivery date. If the date has passed, click on the Need Help or Contact Us section on the Worldremit website or app. You can contact their customer support team, who will be happy to investigate and provide you with updates. Be sure to have your transaction reference number handy to speed things up. And that's it. Now you're equipped to track your Worldremit transfers like a pro. Stay informed, stay secure, and stay tuned for more helpful tips.